Trying Della Vite Prosecco, owned by Cara Delevingne and her sisters.
Today's tipple is a Prosecco owned by Cara Delevingne and her sisters, and it's their rosé version. We just done a review. It's lovely. It's fruity, yet crisp. It's sweet. It's very much like a champagne, like we said about their other Prosecco, which is very good. And you get lovely fruit in there, and it's lovely and sweet, and then you have a sharpness to it. And it reminds me a little bit of apple pips, if you've ever eaten one of those. That's what I've got for today anyway. Cheers. Bye.